Okay, welcome to Wiggin' with Christy. I'm Christy, and I'm reviewing for you today Belletress Columbia in the color Mocha with Cream. So Columbia has this elegant beach wave look. She's super adorable. She has the lace front. She has the lace monofilament part. Like I said, she's heat friendly. I'm going to give the measurements here and then we're going to kind of discuss a little bit. The measurements for this piece are a little different. The sides are 10 inches. The nape is 7 inches and the back is 14 inches. Overall length for this is 7 to 14 inches. It weighs 4.4 ounces. I'm not even sure how. It feels so lightweight. It feels great. But those are the measurements for this piece. Heat friendly. I mean, to be honest, this wig sits a little bit longer on me than most people that have maybe a longer neck. This does still rub my shoulders right here. So I'm taking that risk with these heat friendly fibers. You just want to keep silicone silk spray on them. I didn't use that before. Silicone silk spray, and y'all know I'm a firm believer in silicone silk spray now. And just kind of keep the moisture, comb it. Make sure you're combing with a wide tooth comb. That's going to help the longevity of your heat friendly wigs. Also, not being afraid to use heat product. No, it's not hot anymore. I used it for another wig review. But you know, you can style them. You can steam this out of your face if you want a little bit more lift here. I will say, you know, the knotting and the lace front is not my favorite. I've had a lot more brands now throughout this year and I just still don't like it that much. It's still very dark. If you can see those knots. You know, I mean, and it's very dense in that part. Very, very dense. So to me, those are the most negatives about this wig, is I just don't feel like the lace front is that well. You know, I haven't had a Belletress in a year and a half. I have not had a Belletress wig in a year and a half as far as keeping and wearing. I've had a Belletress, a couple of Belletress this spring, earlier in the spring of 2019. They were blondes and one was in this color, but you know, I just feel like putting this back on, I realize that the knots are just really intense on this, and the parting is just a little dense. You would need to do major plucking to make it look a little bit more natural, in my opinion. But I really do love Columbia, and I'm going to really try to make this one work for me and see how she does as far as I'm not new to wigs anymore. Can I take care of this piece? Can I make this work for me? I know some of you ladies, you love Belletress. You love, love, love Belletress, and I applaud you. And so I'm really going to try to make this work for me as far as the heat-friendly fibers. I do love the fiber quality. I do love the natural feel to it. It feels really great. I love the beach waves. I miss still my blonde in this, the honey matcha latte. I really do miss that color in this. It's kind of like that ultra blonde with the root. It's just really pretty. But I've been really wanting this color again, and this color looks very different from straight to curly, which most synthetic pieces do. But it's a really gorgeous color. So let's talk about that color. So the Mocha with Cream is a light ash brown with hints of caramel brown blended in, honey blonde highlights, and dark brown root. So kind of very dimensional color going on. It's a very pretty color. It looks great in different lightings. It looks great outside. It looks good inside. It's just a really pretty color. This is heat friendly, so you can apply heat products to it up to 350 degrees. Let's take a look inside her cap. So she has that lace front, left monofilament part. Her cloth tabs are the felt velvet, and the hair goes pretty well on that. That's really great. But see how this dark color in here, and they have that dark color right up to the root. The nape is extended nape with bra strap adjusters. Belletress, I just forget, they fit really big head friendly, and I think that's why I got her a year and a half ago, was because my head size, and Not sure what would fit. I don't think I realized she was even heat friendly when I got her, to be honest. I don't recommend heat friendly wigs for the new wig wearer. I don't. Especially a length that will rub. You just won't get your value out of it. For a more veteran wig wearer, I think they're great. If you know what to do with them, you can style them, you can put a little bit more curl back into them. If they start to sag a little bit, you know, if you want to change the curl pattern, you can. If you want to straighten this, you can. It's really great. You just want to take care of these fibers. Let me see if I can hold on from the inside. You want to really focus, when you take this wig off at night, focus on this area in here and down here. They do get tangly and they will get fuzzy. So silicone silk spray and HD spray is going to be your best friend. So Detangler spray and silicone silk, any repair or renew, you just want to take care of those fibers. Wide tooth comb only on these fibers as well with heat friendly wigs. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at her outside. Here's a look at Mocha with cream outside. It's overcasted here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of Columbia in the color Mocha with cream. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Press the thumbs up, give us a comment down below, let me know what you did with your Columbia. If you had a Columbia before, and you know what you did with the heat friendly fibers, what you find is the best for you. I think we're all in this community together, and let's help each other out of what we find works better for heat friendly fibers. So I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to shine bright, love others, and be kind. I'll see you next time. Bye.